Umvikeli womphakathi osamisiwe uadvocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane akanemeneze ngendlela lolu daba oluphethwe ngayo isigcawu esiphenya ubuqotho bakhe. UMkhwebane uthi kusalokhu kuqhubeke njalo ungabibikho kobulungiswa kulolu daba umebheko sekwenzeke ensukwini eziyisikhombisa ezedlule.
Travesty of justice has continued to happen since the previous I think 7 days. Remember, we stopped the proceedings end of March when I was told that the Public Protector Office won't be able to fund the proceedings or my legal team going forward.
UMkhwebane uqhubeke wathi usihlalo waleli komiti elimphenyayo uziveze njengomuntu ofisayo ukuphuma isixazululo kodwa kube inkinga kakhulu ukuthi yena usihlalo uphinde waqhubeka nomhlangano nabaholi bobufakazi okwenza uMkhwebane abhalele usihlalo incwadi ezama ukumisa ukuqhubeka kwesigcawu.
The chairperson was willing to find a solution. He announced that upon resumption on Tuesday, the 11th of April, after Easter weekend, he will also find ways to do that. But then what is problematic is that the very same following day, the chairperson continued with the evidence leaders.
Umvikeli womphakathi osamisiwe uphethe ngelokuthi lesi senzo asikho emthethweni. Silindo kuhle ngidi endabeni ze SABC.